Good morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on where and when you're watching this. I'm your host, Chase Majerus, your money millennial. And this is your weekly economic update on This Week Today, brought to you by synergyone lending. Last week felt kind of busy, right? Apple talked about the new kids in town, Elon Musk got himself and his company into some trouble again, and I finally got to see the Captain Marvel trailer. Did you see it? Oh my God, I loved it. It was so good. Slay on, Brie Larson. But none of that has to do with mortgage or real estate news, so let's jump into that. It's no surprise to hear that natural disasters cause spikes in mortgage delinquencies and foreclosures. It happens often that in the wake of these destructive scenarios, people have to make major payments to repair the damages to their home, or even worse, their home has become uninhabitable. In the case of Hurricane Florence, with its devastating wind and rain patterns and crazy reporting practices, many servicers are creating emergency assistance plans for the areas hit by the storm, including temporary reductions or suspensions on mortgage payments without penalty. VPs of both Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac stated that they want to ensure those in the path of Hurricane Florence have peace of mind and time to focus on their safety, and are encouraged to call their mortgage servicer to learn about relief options. While this doesn't affect everyone, it's good to see that the right thing is being done to support those in need. loanDepot's CEO, Anthony Shea, was at the recent National Mortgage News Digital Mortgage Conference in Las Vegas and said that it's a matter of time, not a matter of if, Amazon and Google enter the mortgage sphere. He went on to say customers want the convenience, ease, and control they have using technology. Blending digital tools with local and expert service, in our opinion, is the formula. Think about it. Fintech lender GreenSky has a market cap of nearly $3 billion. Redfin has a mortgage company, and Zillow is about to have one, so the writing is kind of on the wall. To be honest, I'm not really shocked that Google and Amazon would make that move, since they've been widening their products and services for so many years. Why would Amazon stop at deliveries and incredible show programming? I mean, they just cleaned house at the 2018 Emmys last week with The Marvelous Mrs. Maisel. And Google is Google. Even Bing and Yahoo employees use Google. This week is very important, and not just because of the index reports on Tuesday and Thursday, but because the Federal Open Market Committee will be meeting on Tuesday and making important announcements on Wednesday. It's projected that the FOMC will implement another interest rate hike. Thanks for joining us on our first episode of the fall season. Goodbye, summer. This Week Today is sponsored by synergyone lending. To learn more about the awesome company that makes this show happen or get pre-approved online, check out s1lending.com or download our app, S1 Connect, which is super easy to use. I'm your host, Chase Majerus. You can find synergyone or myself on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or LinkedIn. Have an unbelievable week, everyone. Let's make like a tree and leave. Oh, man.
I don't get it.
Why don't you get it? Their leaves are falling.
Never said not. Not here.
I said fall, the first episode of the fall season.